And so we're gonna talk about short selling today. And let's just wait for the audience for a bit. For those who are watching the replay of this video, you can skip the video to around 3 minutes further so that you can go to the discussion right away because this is recorded live. Right, yan. Harold, yes. Yan, yes. Good morning, yan. Harold Gelbolingo. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. So, short selling has been approved in PSE, but when will it start? We don't know yet as of the moment, diba? So, it will be very wise for us to be prepared. Let's know what short selling is, right? Short selling is basically, sorry about that. Short selling is basically you are uh, betting on a stock that is if a stock will go down. Right? It's basically that you earn while the stock is going down. It's a bit hard to absorb really because it's like this. We are used to. Let's go back. Let's go to our main practice, right? To understand short selling even more, right? So I'm gonna share my screen. Right. So here is normally people earn in stocks. Not that one. Let's use a brush. Like that one. If a stock's going up, basically you buy here at around this area. And this is where you buy, right? And so while it's going up, if you think it's enough and then you sell, this is your normal practice when it comes to what do you call this? Normal stocks, buying stocks. This is what we're accustomed to. But short selling allows you to do this. So if the stock is already too high and you think it's gonna go down already, like this one starts to go down, you can sell. Yet you can sell stocks you don't own yet. It's like borrowing stocks from someone who owns it and then just returning it once it's already going down, right? It's basically like that. So if you think the stock is going down, you send a sell order, right? And then while it's going down, dito sa baba at the bottom, you think it's the support already, you think it's gonna bounce already, then this is where you buy. Basically, it's an opposite of what you are basically doing. But the good thing about this is you sell, then the amount of percentage that it fell down, you earn in return. That's short selling. It's hard to really understand it if you haven't tried it yet. But if you've already tried forex, stocks overseas, they already allow short selling, so you can earn while it's going down. It's best if you try it yourself so that you'll understand it. Basically what you do is you sell something you don't own. Basically, you just borrow a stock from someone who's not really wanting to sell it, and then you just click on the buy when you think it's already low enough. So basically, you just return it at that point, and then once it's returned, you earn that percentage, that price range that the stock fell down. This is very useful, right? This is very useful when it comes to lately, diba? The market, especially PSEI, right? Philippine stock market has been failing because of the trade wars. When the trade war started, it's been going down. If PSE had this before, right? If it had this already before, for example, see CHP, right? If PSE already had short selling, you could have, even if you don't have CHP, when you read this third quarter earnings, it's negative already, so you think this is gonna go down, you just short sell it. What you do is just send a sell order at around this area right here, and look at that, and then you just buy at around this area right here because you think it's forming a support and it's gonna go up. So basically, you earn from this downfall right here. The advantage of this is that the market, especially PSE, is very prone to sell-offs. This will protect the market, right? People will not start selling off their what they call this, their stocks that much, because there's short selling already. People can earn in this short selling. So while it's going down, you just sell here. Even if you don't own the stock, you just sell it here, and while it's going down, you earn. Look at this one. CHP fell around January to March. It fell 30%, and you could have earned 30% while it's going down. So this is a very big opportunity for us who is in PSE. Right, so do you have any questions? This is live, so I can entertain questions, but basically this is short selling. You have the idea of short selling already. Put it, what do you call this? Apply technical analysis in this, because if the RSI is already too high right there and it's already at the resistance, most probably the stock is gonna fall. So you bet on the stock going down, so you short sell it. Just send a sell order, and while it's going down, you're gonna earn. If you think that's the bottom, you just click on the buy the short sell the stocks you have, which is at shorts, which you have in short selling mode, and then you earn whatever amount whatever price range this that downfall is, right? So that's short selling. That's a very big advantage for us once this starts, right? It's very timely. I'm not sure why PSE did not have this when the market was bearish, right? There's something behind that, but then again, we can only be thankful na andito na siya, so we can already earn when the stocks are going down, right? So I'm gonna go to the chat room natin. Let's see if we have we have questions. Yes, earning in bearish market. This is how you earn in a bearish stock. You short sell it. If you think the stock is gonna go down, then you short sell the stock. Whenever there's bad news of a stock, short selling it can make you earn even if there's bad news in that stock, provided that you're not in the stock yet, right? Right. I'm not sure how this will work in your platforms. Kung ano mga platforms niyo. I'm gonna go full screen. Right. I'm not sure how this will work in different platforms, but basically, I've been doing this in Forex. Right. Basically, you just send a sell order on a position, and then that's it. That's already short selling. And then just on how many units you have in your short selling, you just buy it again, and then that's it. You earn while it's going down. So that's short selling. Right. Do you have any questions? So a quick question from Tala Lifestyle. Right. Quick question, sir. Option trade, paano ba nagana? Option trading. I'll get back to you with that, right? Not sure if there's option trading here sa atin for the meantime. H017, can you explain the short selling guidelines they approved? Yes, we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna have a different video for the guidelines, but I will have to study all the guidelines first. I'm gonna make a different video on that too, right? We're gonna go back to that, yung guidelines ng PSE, a more in-depth video about the guidelines that they have, because I just learned about this today that short selling is going to be available. So I just want to inform everyone what short selling is. There are guidelines, right? There will be things that limitations in this, and we're going to be discussing that after maybe tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to be studying the guidelines, right? I haven't studied it yet, right? Filipino Concern, Sir Lloyd, question: disadvantage and advantages of short selling, cause and effect po ba, sir? Actually, there's disadvantage of this is that it will make traders more cockier. I'm gonna give you a heads up. It's much more dangerous than position trading, right? Mas malaki ang risk ninyo dito, right? When it comes to short selling, so you have to really be good at technical analysis if you do this, right? The advantage naman is that there won't be large sell-offs of a stock anymore, which is what you're seeing in PSE, right? Because people can already earn with short selling. So if I was a holder of a stock, magdadalawang isip na ako magbenta, right? Because I know for sure there will be no large sell-offs anymore because of the of short selling. Hindi na maggrabe ang bentahan, so hindi na siya bababa talaga ng napakababa. Right. Yes. Shells DV, does PSE, I have short selling. I'm not familiar about it. It's very good news though. Yes, there is may news na kakalabas lang today about short selling. It's very good news, right? Vash, sir, kailan po start ng trade war? February pa nag-start yung trade wars. There were rumors of trade wars, but it just full bloomed last week. Kaya nga bumagsak pa lalo sa PSE. We discussed about that in the daily grind. Sir, question po, lalabas ba ang short selling sa mismo support mo? Yes, your short sells, your stocks that are on short sell will show in your port, right? Rene Barola, what is the effect of having short selling during bullish market? During a bullish market, it's like this. Even if the market's bullish, there are stocks that will still go down, diba? So it will not really affect the bullish stocks. It will have a positive effect on stocks that are starting to have sell-offs, because it won't sell off that much because people will still earn on short selling. All right, on a bullish market, you won't be using this much, because most probably you'll be on stocks that are going up, right? You bet your money on stocks that are going up. It's much safer than short selling, right? Don't bet too much on short selling. It's just that if you think the stock is going down, that's when you put it. But if you have opportunities in other stocks that you think are gonna go up, you bet on those more, right? Wag lahat, don't put all your heart into short selling. Let me just move my microphone. Right, tala sir, lifestyle sir, wait ko explanation nyo sa option trading. Thank you in advance, you're welcome. Right, fully po no concern, thank you for Sir Lloyd, you're welcome. Right, thank you, you're welcome then. Anyways, this is just gonna be a short video. I just want to discuss about short selling, how this works. Right, I hope you have an idea already. I know this video will not be enough, but I hope you research on it more. It's a very good opportunity for PSE. Once again, this is Lloyd. Let's get rich together. Bye-bye, everyone. We have one more question. Sir, pwede niyo po ba bigyan ng sample lalo na mag-proseso ng short selling at saan kukunin yung stock po, sir? Sa inyo ba na port o binili mo? Yes. You just sell it if you... Short selling happens if you don't own the stock. Yeah, we can accommodate one more question from Alexander Owano. Ang question niya is, how does it really work? You sell stocks you don't own. You just borrow stocks from other people, right? Because those people basically do not want to sell the stock, so hinahawakan mo lang for the meantime, right? You just borrow them. That's the concept. It's not really that, hindi siya in-depth talaga na borrowing, but that's the concept. You just tend to borrow stocks you think is gonna go down, and then you bet on it going down and just buy it, and then when it's already down. So that's short selling. You earn while it's going down. You don't really have to own the stocks, right? Dapat hindi mo hawak na stocks, okay? Because if you are holding the stock and then you just sell it, you can't short sell it because you're just gonna sell your own stocks, right? Short selling is you don't own the stock, still you send a sell order, right? How does it work? You just click on sell. This is how usually it works. I'm not sure with other platforms. I'm gonna review this in the future once it's already live, right? But what I know is that you just click on sell. If you don't own the stock, just click on sell, and then yung price, and then how many stocks, and then that's it. You already have a position in short selling that way. And then kung gusto mo nang bitawan yung short selling stock mo, baliktad siya. Instead of selling, you just click on buy kasi meron ka na naka-short sell. The end part is buy, and then how many stocks, and then what price, and then there it is. So, ang amount, that's already short selling. Yung amount na binagsak niya, you earn that in return. So, you can basically earn while the stock is going down using short selling. Right? Sir, can short selling be applied to long-term investing? James Peter Lobas, yes, it can be applied, especially if a stock is gonna go down. Like eto, the example I placed earlier about CHP, diba? CHP went down a lot, for a big amount for the past few months, diba? So you can, instead of you losing money, if you don't have stocks in CHP and you think CHP is still gonna go down, you short sell it. So there's still opportunity there to earn even if pabagsak ang isang stock, right? Provided that you don't own the stock. Yes, it's good. It can be used for long term, but the thing is, short selling's effect on stocks is that it won't go down as deep as like this CHP that you've seen. Yung dip ni CHP for how many months? Grabe yung bagsak niya kay TEL, kay Globe, right? It won't the stocks will not have those kind of dips, those very deep dips anymore because of short selling, which is good for the stockholders, right? So this basically has a very good effect on PSE. Hopefully, stop loss will be allowed soon too, right? But for now, short selling, I'm happy that this is already available for us, right? Short sales to tell, yes. Yes. Paano ka matatalo, sir? Yes. Paano ka matatalo? Very good question from Ronel Icasiano, right? Romel is asking, paano ka matatalo? So, if you bet, for example, let me go to my screen again. So, may chart tayo dito. Right? For example, you bet, for example, dito at this point right here, uy, nag-support siya right there. I think, and then you short sell this, right? You short sell this right here. Short selling is betting that the stock will go down. What if it goes up? Like this one right here. So if the stock goes up, baliktad naman, if the stock goes up, you're gonna lose money, right? This is how you lose in short selling. Very good buy, Spanky. If aakyat ang isang stock, you will lose. Right? Baliktad talaga siya sa normal natin nalalaman. Kasi pag bumili tayo sa baba, then we sell at the top, we earn, di ba? Baliktad naman ngayon. But if we sell here and then buy here, which is short selling, you are going to lose if aakyat ang isang stock. Right? Kung dito, nag-decide ka mag-short sell, tapos pag umakyat yan, nganga ka. Talo ka rin naman dyan. Right? So, it's still risky. Right? Same lang, Paul John Magtoto is asking, same lang ba ang charges? Yes, same charges. Rene Ibarola, just like Forex, you still need to set a percentage or percent loss. It's up to you if you want to set a percent loss. Right? We don't have percent loss yet, but short selling, we have that already. Right? Maraming yayaman sa buy high sell low. Yeah, maraming natatalo sa stock na pumapasok sila tapos bumagsak, 'di ba? Why not short sell it na lang? Mag-reverse psychology kayo. Uy, I think kasi maraming natatalo, I think aakit itong stock to kasi kaya pumapasok ako. So magbaliktad na lang tayo, short sell ko na lang, 'di ba? So that's how you basically kidding aside, that's how you earn in short selling. This is what short selling is. I'm going to have future videos more about short selling, but this is very good news, especially for PSE. Right? So you're welcome everyone. Definitely this is very good news. Again, let's get rich together. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.